Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert tally marks in Word. Let's open the Word document. As a first method, open the on-screen keyboard. There, click on the parallel bar as many times as you want. Now select these bars and adjust their size if you need to. Again, select the bars and now click on Strike Through Out to modify their appearance. Another way to create sticks is to open the Insert menu and from Shapes select the line. Draw the vertical line at the size you need. With the line selected, from the Shape Format menu, display the Shape Outline option and there select the color of the line. Click again on Shape Outline and this time from Weight choose the desired width for the line. After this, select the line, you are going to copy it and paste the desired number of lines. Adjust the lines in the style you need. After that, select a line, press the Control key and click on all the lines so that they are selected. When doing so, right-click and from Group click on Group again. You will see that it is now possible to move all the lines simultaneously. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.